The Bentley Bentayga offers exactly one powertrain in the US, a 6.0-liter W12 with 600 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque. Overseas buyers get the additional option of a 4.0-liter diesel V8 with 429 horsepower and 664 pounds-to-foot, the same oil burner from the Audi SQ7, denied us after Volkswagen Group pulled diesels from the US market. Automotorsport reports that Bentley will add 2 more powertrains to the mix over the next year, but it's unclear whether any of them will come here, a 4.0-liter gasoline V8, and a plug-in hybrid. The German publication expects the Porsche-developed 4.0-liter, twin-turbo V8 to get the nod for Bentley use. That engine serves in the Porsche Cayenne Turbo, 550 horsepower/567 pounds-to-foot, and Lamborghini Urus, 650 horsepower/627 pounds-to-foot, which both share their MLB platform with the Bentayga. Making sure not to step on the toes of the W12, the 4.0-liter petrol V8 will get something like the Cayenne Turbo's 550 horsepower. We've seen spy shots of the Bentayga FEV testing at the Nürburgring, but we weren't sure what the SUV used for motivation. Porsche again donates equipment for the plug-in hybrid Bentayga, the forthcoming powertrain swipe from the Panamera 4e hybrid. In the Porsche, total output comes to 462 horsepower and 516 pounds-to-foot. Spy shooters captured a photo of never mode button inside the Bentayga, so we know it will do silent burn. The 14.1 kWh battery in Panamera E hybrid provides 31 miles of electric-only range. Both powertrains will provide a lower price